What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and today I am trying something new. You might not notice any kind of difference, but to me the whole process of filming is probably going to be taking a massive shift. I just picked up a new camera. It's not the end-all camera that I plan on, but it's something for me to actually learn to and get some practice on actually recording with higher quality I guess lenses and equipment in a full frame type camera. Up until now I've had camera inside of there, which was a Sony RX100, and it's been great, but it's a pocket cam. There's no interchangeability with the lenses. You can't really do anything cool. I mean, excuse the shakiness because I'm messing around, but I can zoom in now if I don't have a prime lens. And eventually I'm gonna upgrade to whatever comes after the Sony a7S III, which should be the a7S IV, or an FX3, or I might just get an Alpha 1. I don't know, but right now we are on the Sony a7 IV. And this thing is great. It was kind of like a throw around camera for hybrid type things. So far, I am absolutely loving this. And we're gonna be doing an unboxing today. So this is going to be my monthly Glovebox Detail box. I know some of you love these, so I'm going to film me opening this. Now, it does look like I opened it. It does, but all I did was rip the top to shit so that you couldn't see my address and come stalk me, because some of you, I think, have dreams of laying in bed next to me and waking up next to me and calling yourself Mrs. OCD, and it's kind of crazy. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Kisses. But please stop. So we're going to open this up, see what's inside, and I'm gonna give you my opinion as I'm opening this. So I'm gonna set you down on this sexy thing. Oh, look at the black background blur. This is a 24-70 G Master. I'm gonna get so many different lenses. I'll do other videos, but that's gonna go on my other YouTube channel. This channel's not gonna get the tech stuff. This actually works out a little bit better with this A7. This a7 IV, I'm actually able to have such a freedom. This is great. Like, oh my God, dude, the camera looks good. Being on a tripod's awesome. I'm gonna try to utilize that more. The only thing I don't love about the a7 IV is if I were to film this on a 4K 60, I would have a crop. I am going to remedy that by getting wider lenses. I think Tamron just came out with a 10-20. Some of you might not know a thing about that. Some of you might know everything about that. I was gonna get a Sony 14, but I do need to experiment with lenses, and that's gonna be meaning that I'm gonna buy some good ones and I'm gonna buy some shitty ones and I'm gonna do videos on it. And yeah, so if you're down for that content, maybe eventually I will let you know what the other channel's name is. But let's stop blibber blabbering here. We are messing around and we're wasting time when I should be spending it talking about this company. If you know about the Glovebox Detail monthly box, it's a subscription box service for auto detailing supplies. The people behind this company, I can't stress enough how awesome they are. They are just genuine people. They don't have some kind of like, oh, I'm trying to get rich intent. They're trying to innovate and to bring us value. And I've had a lot of conversations with these folks. They are just genuinely good, down-to-earth people. I support this company. So let's open this up. It is November 2nd. I just got this box today. So basically this would be my November box. You know, now that I'm looking at this, I really do need to get like a wider lens. This is a 24. I could pull it back further, but then you're not gonna see shit. So we're gonna deal with it. All right, let's pull out reading materials first. Malco. Top sellers. So obviously this is going to have Malco products in it. Now I have not cheated. Sometimes I do cheat, I'm not going to lie, and I look at other people opening their boxes because sometimes, I guess, you know, lovely dirty Jersey, I don't get the mail as quick as other people do. So you know what, let's just let's cheat on our own right now. This is the November collection and it is a Malco SEMA special. Okay, here we go. Shadowy effect. Oh, here we go. That's a little bit better. My big finger. Oh, see that? I got a nice cut on my finger. That's cool. So basically, this is going to have Malco's Epic Hydro Sheet Plus SiO2 Wash and Wax. I am all for wash and wax products, so that's going to be something I'm definitely going to be giving a try. So the next bottle in here is going to be the Epic CR2 Hydro Protect Ceramic Coating Spray. So ceramic coating spray, I got to be honest with you, you know, I'm not a big fan of when somebody says ceramic coating and then talks about a spray. To me, you start talking about a ceramic coating, and if it's not chilling inside of a bottle like that, then to me, I don't typically consider it a ceramic coating. It could have ceramic coating properties, but it's not. I just, you know, whatever. It is what it is. That's just my opinion, right? Then they got Epic Finishing Polish, and we have Clean and Shine Interior Cleaner and Protectant. So we got something to mess around with the interior. We've got a finishing polish. So if your paint isn't shot to shit and you just want to give it a quick sprucey before you put the coating on, you could do that, put the coating on, and then what they have here is a wash and wax to maintain the exterior coating, and you have an interior cleaner. So usually everything aligns, the stars usually align when it comes to products, and they're very good with that. They try to make it make sense. These are full-size bottles, folks. We've come a long way in life, okay? This is a 22-ounce bottle. So it's Clean and Shine for leather, plastic, and vinyl. So, you know, shake well. We're going to give this a whirl and give it a little scent test. I try to be honest with that. So, again, I told you guys a million times in the past, I hate towels like this, and that's one of the reasons. That is a hard-ass piece of something. It's just like a trap for crazy stuff that you have to really inspect the hell out of these. But I do like that it's a double-sided type thing. So, you know, we've got one towel. Oh, we got another one. So we got two. Usually, or what I would do if you're packing these, by the way, is I would always fold in the super grabby, crazy grabby side in. This way it's not just loosey-goosey grabbing everything. Okay, so here we go. What do we got here? This is the Epic CR2 Hydro Protect. What is this? Oh, this is their ceramic spray. So it's an SiO2. See, this is where it comes in. To me, this is a sealant. It's a paint sealant spray. This is going to probably be something that you're going to just get maybe 6+ months maybe of reliability, depending on the preparation on the surface. Surface prep is always going to be key to any of these products. You know, if you could put the best coating in the universe onto a dirty panel, it's just never going to bond with the paint, and it's just not going to work. And we got this one right here. This is going to be the Hydro Sheet Plus. So this is going to be, oh, it's got graphene too. I don't understand why a lot of these companies just keep throwing these trigger words out. You know what I mean? Like, oh, these graphene and ceramic and SiO2, and so all just to catch. You know, we'll see. We'll see how it works. Don't judge a book by its cover, right? But I like that there's a system in here. We got a sprayer, I'm assuming for the ceramic spray coating. And what we have here is a thing that says we could take 15% off your first order. So it's expires on 12/31. Oh, and it's got a discount code. Can we zoom in on that? Can we catch it? There we go. And it's got a discount code. So there's a discount code. We'll keep that on the side. So my bottle did open a little bit in shipping. It happens, especially to New Jersey dirty jurors. But this is the Epic Finishing Polish, and it's actually pretty awesome. I wonder how close I can get. That's about as close as I'm gonna get. And it's actually pretty close, you'd be surprised. So this is pretty good for preparing the paint. I'm just gonna give it a quick sniff. Okay, smells just like every other light to extra light polish. We're gonna give this a whiff too. This is a ceramic wash and wax. Now I probably shouldn't be sniffing these things because everybody's always like, oh, wear a mask, but I'm no bitch, so, you know, if I'm going down in a blaze of glory, you know what I'm saying? Chemicals. Doesn't have like a real fruity or any kind of smell, you know, like an Adams thing. Now I like that and I don't like that at the same time. So we'll see. More of these stupid. Oh, you motherfucker. Why did I think that was gonna be a good idea? Seriously? Just tried to Jackie Chan that son of a bitch. Ah. That was goddamn stupid. Again, I'm shocked. What? Nothing. This is definitely the one that I definitely shouldn't have been putting my butt sniffer next to. Are you joking? What a dumbass. I'm so stupid. And again, this collar. Ow, dude, that really hurt. That's gonna leave a bruise. Like a nice big beta bruise on my finger. None of these really have any kind of like seriously pleasing scent. This one's kind of good. It's got like a sort of clean scent to it. But again, not that any of that matters, but that's what it is. So this is the box. What they do from time to time is they have these takeovers type boxes. So what they do is they have these situations like now where they have like a brand and it's like a whole box on the brand. So that's basically where we're at with this. So let me just get you in closer so you can kind of see what we got here. I don't know if it's focusing off or on. There we go. I guess, I don't know. This is what it's coming with. This is the, like I said, November collection. And we've got Clean and Shine, Epic, Epic, Epic. Very epic box. Clean, Drive, and Repeat. This is what we got. You know, you could jump on this subscription box, give it a whirl. What do you really have to lose, honestly? Like I don't benefit from this, guys. I don't get kickbacks for however many of you subscribe. I do have a discount code, but that's to help you on your first month. So there's really no benefit other than to me tell you, hey, you know, go check them out. If you want, I think it's pretty cool. I've got a lot of followers that do subscribe to this box and they like it. Some of these boxes, I had one month, they gave us a whole 50 ml ceramic coating, a real ceramic coating by Synergy Paint. I've had many different boxes come in with just stuff that I've been wanting to try. Some boxes, like last month's box, you get their whole pod system, which is all of their stuff. So we got interior cleaners and spray waxes, waterless washes and windows cleaners. You know, you don't know what you're gonna get. I've seen Adams boxes. You get the whole, like, I think it was like a Christmas theme or something. So you don't know what you're gonna get. So that's the beauty of it. But you always will get your value, worth, and money. That's what it is. And then some, actually. So hop on board. I'm going to leave the link down below if you're interested. You go check them out. If you don't want to do it, don't do it. But just go read up on it. See what you like, see what you don't like, and make your own decision based on that. That's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for swinging by. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are an OCD OG, I truly appreciate you and your support. Thank you. We're going to figure out this camera situation. But, you know, I'm actually excited about this. And this is kind of cool. It's kind of cool. So we'll see what this quality looks like when I'm editing. And we'll go from there. I hope everybody's staying happy, healthy, and humble. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Be safe.